Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're into DIY projects, woodworking, or need a sturdy, space-saving setup for your workspace, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best foldable workbenches of 2025, carefully selected for their durability, portability, design, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Worx Pegasus Foldable Workbench. Leading our list is the Worx Pegasus, a brilliantly versatile workbench that truly masters the art of space efficiency while delivering professional-grade performance. Its clever fold-and-go design lets you collapse it into a remarkably compact form that conveniently tucks under your arm, making transportation between job sites absolutely effortless, whether you're moving from garage to driveway or loading it into your car for off-site projects. What's particularly impressive is how it seamlessly transforms from a sturdy workbench into a heavy-duty sawhorse capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds, perfect for those big cutting projects where stability matters most. The generous 31 by 25-inch surface gives you plenty of room to maneuver larger materials, while the thoughtfully designed 32 height maintains comfortable ergonomics during extended working sessions that might otherwise strain your back. We absolutely love how multiple units and connect together using standardized connectors. Number 2. Pony Sawhorse Foldable Workbench. The Pony Sawhorse Workbench brings professional-level adjustability to the home workshop, with its 6-level height settings ranging from 30 to 35. This flexibility means you can customize the working height to match your project needs, whether you're doing detailed woodworking or general repairs. The dual-purpose design functions both as a stable work table with 500-pound capacity and as a heavy-duty sawhorse that handles up to 1,000 pounds. The aluminum leg frame adds significant durability while keeping the overall weight manageable for transport. What really sets this bench apart is the comprehensive accessory package, including medium and light-duty clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps that provide exceptional material securing options. The collapsible design folds completely flat for compact storage, making it ideal for workshops where space is at a premium. For serious DIYers who need both precision adjustability and robust construction, the Pony Sawhorse delivers outstanding versatility and reliable performance across a wide range of projects. Number 3. Keter DIY Foldable Workbench. For those who value speed and convenience above all else, the Keter workbench sets up in an incredible 30 seconds with zero assembly required. Just unfold it and you're ready to work. No tools, no complicated instructions, no frustration. Despite this quick deployment, it doesn't compromise on strength, supporting up to 1,000 pounds on its work surface. The 12-inch clamps can be positioned either horizontally or vertically, giving you multiple options for securing different types of materials. Construction from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin means this bench can handle outdoor use without rusting or deteriorating. The aluminum legs provide sturdy support while remaining lightweight enough for easy carrying. We particularly appreciate how the quick folding mechanism makes cleanup and storage equally fast, perfect for those who need to quickly clear their workspace. Whether you're working in the driveway, garage, or backyard, the Keter delivers instant workspace solutions without sacrificing durability or functionality. Number 4. ZYLOQUEX 34-inch Foldable Workbench. The ZYLOQUEX workbench stands out for its extreme portability and space-efficient design. When folded, it collapses to a remarkably slim 3.7 inches thick, allowing it to slide into the tightest storage spaces. Perfect for apartment dwellers or workshops where every inch counts. Despite weighing only 23 pounds, it confidently supports up to 1,000 pounds thanks to its intelligent engineering and robust construction. The waterproof work surface is both easy to clean and resistant to wear, ensuring long-term durability. The integrated clamping system with multifunctional holes, X-shaped grooves, and measurement markings provides exceptional versatility for securing materials and making precise cuts. Setup takes just 3 seconds, and the built-in carrying handle makes transportation between work areas completely hassle-free. For anyone needing a full-featured workbench that virtually disappears when not in use, the ZYLOQUEX offers an outstanding combination of heavy-duty performance and ultra-compact storage. Number 5. Auto Dynasty Foldable Workbench. Completing our list is the Auto Dynasty Workbench, which combines practical workspace with smart organizational features that streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. The substantial 100-kilogram weight capacity provides solid, reliable support from most DIY projects. From woodworking and mechanical repairs to crafting and home maintenance tasks, while the built-in storage solutions keep your workspace organized and efficient throughout your project. The innovative printed worktop includes both measuring tape and protractor markings directly on the surface, eliminating the constant need to search for measuring tools during precision work and ensuring your measurements remain accurate and consistent across your entire project. The clever lower support rod doubles as a handy parts storage rack, keeping small components, fasteners, and frequently used tools within easy reach but safely off your main work surface where they could interfere with your primary task. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best foldable workbenches. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and tech picks. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one!